Hello, gaming world. Welcome back to Subsistence. We got Rob and Jeannie up there. How y'all
Hey,
doing?
hey, we're doing good, thank
I'm
you. How?
doing good, Tad. How are you? Hello, everybody.
he-
Welcome to the
All right.
game.
yep. Hello,
Look,
everybody.
looks like it might be a pretty day. I don't know.
It's a pretty cold day.
Kind of hard to tell with Subsistence.
Yeah. Oh, shut up, Wolf.
Yeah, I got to get some kitties too.
Hmm.
My sinew is going down.
Down, down, down.
So you want me to bring you 3 iron fragments?
That will be great. Thank you. Wrong spot. I'm gonna
I
go out.
think I figured she was wanting me to say I would bring
Oh
them.
well, I can go find some too. I'm not opposed to going finding any.
Well, I got some. I'm coming.
Alrighty. Thank you.
All right. Well, I got to eat first. Jeez.
Yeah, you better eat.
I'll
I
just
gotta eat too. Oh my God.
I'll just bring a rabbit pie with me, or
Hmm.
whatever you want to call that.
Well, let me eat that. Come on, I'm gonna have to cook something. Cook me a couple of steaks.
Holy smokes.
What?
I went out here and checked the bunny traps. Got two very, very dead bunnies. We won't get no meat out of them either. They
Mm.
were green.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they still wearing their colors from Easter?
Yep. Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Yeah.
We just-
I'm gonna
oh,
do like Jeannie. I'm a walk everywhere I go.
Walking's not a bad thing.
It ain't a great thing either. It gets boring.
Oh God.
Watching somebody walk everywhere is boring.
And
I
no
was
kidding.
watching someone die every time they run into a road or a bear too when they're running. Not
You can see rogues without walking.
not
You can see
always.
them while running. Yeah, you can.
No, not
I
always.
mean, unless you come around a rock wide open, but they've done detected you by then anyway.
By then it's too late, huh?
Yeah, it don't matter where you're walking
Hmm.
or running. They've already got you. Well, I'm cutting a 6 log tree or two before I get up that way, so
Fine, I'm cooking
I've got it on
some
me.
steaks. Take these
Glad to
upstairs.
have everybody with us today. If you would, please hit that notification bell, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Would be great, and we'd love to have you.
Get there. Get up the stairs, woman. There.
Oh, Jeannie, I wanted to tell you, you talk too low on your
Dude,
recordings.
I feel like I'm yelling though. I think that's why, because I feel like I'm yelling.
There ain't no way when you recorded that infected,
Mhm.
you barely could hear you, and I'm not used to that because
No,
you're
sorry.
a
I
kind
only
of a
talk.
loud mouth.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I feel like I'm talking loud, and so I talk too low.
No, go back and listen to your video.
Yeah.
You sound like this. I'm over here and I'm gonna put this thing here
Oh.
down. I think. And,
I'll talk louder when I record the
yeah,
next
but that's the
one.
way it sounds.
Mm,
Every once in a while, when you're referring to people that you want them to know something, you talk a
mhm.
little louder.
I try. I feel like I'm yelling, so I think that's
Hey,
why I talk so low.
well, you need to talk what you're talking right now
Mm,
when you're recording,
okay.
so people can hear you.
I'll keep that in mind. I'm still new at all that.
Well, there ain't
I'm
nothing
getting used
new to
to it.
talking.
Well, it is when you're not used to talking on a recording.
It's called be yourself.
Yeah.
Don't try to whisper at it unless you're actually trying to whisper.
What you
What'd you say?
Yeah,
What'd you
yeah, I
say?
heard it.
You heard me.
Yeah, that's the way you're talking on your video. Oh, that buddy must be gonna go in your trap. I run him off. Oh, that's Rob. Where you want these metal fragments? I'll put them in the.
I'll put them in the crate under the workbench, please. I'm upstairs
That's
doing
where
the
they
plant.
at.
All right, thank you.
That is where they're at.
I'm just taking care of the plants real quick up here.
Oh, I'll eat my rabbit pie then. Rabbit. Boy, you sure got this refiner way out of the ground. I mean, miner. That'd trip somebody for sure there.
Well, no, she did it that way so she could see it, so she wouldn't trip over it.
I believe I'd have had to stick that bad boy somewhere else.
Well, I can still move it. I just didn't know where to put it. I was trying to hurry
Oh,
up
I
and
know
put
you
it somewhere.
can.
I was trying to put it somewhere because you're
I would try to get it as low as possible if I was you. All right, where's that kitty cat at? You ain't done killed him, have you?
Nope, I haven't.
Nope.
Careful that wolf behind you, Rob. Wolf chasing you, Rob. Run.
Oh, here's a locked crate right at y'all's front door, and I got a key.
I'll be a son of a biscuit eater.
He killed you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't find him. I kept going around in a circle.
He was a white wolf.
No, he was a brown. He was a black wolf.
Was he? Usually
Yeah.
Rob had trouble seeing the white ones.
No, I
Well,
kept
dang,
going.
Rob.
I kept going around in a circle, trying to have my shotgun in my hand, but
I'm sorry.
hey, that's okay.
Oh, sorry.
All right, kitty cat. Where you at?
God, I got a couple of fibers. I looked all around, see no animals whatsoever, and then all of a sudden,
That wolf, yeah.
are you kidding me?
I want that kitty. Where's the kitty?
Then there was another wolf hiding behind the little tree over here.
Did it get you too?
Come on, let me.
Yeah, he bit me and infected me, but before I could jump on the dock.
Gotcha. It's such a nice
And
day,
then with
Rob.
me with no shirt, no shoes, no nothing, and guess what?
Want me to get your
Oh,
bag
there's
for
a
you?
moose. But I don't see a cat.
Where'd that wolf go behind the tree? Let me find that. Did you was there spawn on the bed? Did you spawn? Yeah, there you are. Okay.
My bag,
Okay, where's that? Okay, let me get that wolf out of here before you come down.
well, just go down and grab my bag, please.
Okay.
Go down and grab my bag, please. Grab my awnings. That's everything I got.
Ooh, I couldn't. Some of it flew out. Oh, hold on. Let me. Oh my gosh. Let me toss something. Oh no! Oh no! I gotta toss. Let me toss these.
I don't care. Just get the weapons and the ammo if there's any left.
Where are you at?
Helmet, vest, just down by the pond.
I got it.
Oh. Well, I don't
Man.
see the cat.
I don't
went
know.
all around.
I looked
I
over
went
the
all
rock. I
around his
didn't see the
home.
kitty. I looked down to the left, down in the gully, no kitty. I don't know unless there's some rogues hanging out.
Well, I went all up round here, around the where the cutie. Well, I ain't been all down here on the flatland,
Shirt,
Yeah.
jacket, pants.
but I don't see him down there either. So
You only left your
Rob, you can't pick it up. It keeps throwing it out. Oh no, that's Jeannie throwing something
Yeah.
at you. I couldn't see her
And
for the
here.
wall.
And here's this. No, I'm seeing what else? That's it, isn't it? That's all. Is that it? How many arrows did you
Think
have?
so.
How many arrows? I
Hey.
give you half of the arrows I got here. There.
I'm putting you a rack of ribs and a liver in there.
All right, thank you. Did you have some 9mm rounds too, Rob?
Yeah.
Okay, here I'll give you half of what I got, cause I don't know how many I picked up of yours. And that's about all the different I got. That's all I got.
That's fine.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Well, I need to back up to your heater here and get warm.
Yeah. Get
Stand right in the
yourself
middle
warm.
of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can look down at the wall, but I can't even see my feet.
You better go on a diet.
Hmm I'd say so. Come on, health, get on back up. Oh, now it's wanting me to eat something. Yeesh. I might have to eat one of your foods.
Go ahead.
Help yourself.
You ain't got no regular little food in here.
I gotta cook some. I haven't cooked any.
I'll cook a liver. Here, get that. Get this box right here.
Which box?
Right behind you, that's water. Right up there on the heater,
Yeah,
Oh, this is full of water. That was just, I needed to cook
Okay.
that liver. I guess I could have looked. No, it's full of water too.
okay, let me see if I can. Make
Jeannie's
some
got them all full of water.
Yeah.
Full of water. Ooh, clear
Oh, we're running low on
water.
onions. I'm gonna make these last 4 onions and the seeds.
Why are y'all running low on onions?
I don't know. Let's see what I can make here. I'll make it.
Rob eating all the onions.
I don't know what he's
No, I'm not eating
Now,
all the onions.
no, Rob, you tell me that you take a bite out of an onion all the time.
Yeah, in real life. They don't
Yuck.
taste good in the game.
Yeah.
You eat an onion just like an apple.
How many steak and eggs
No.
do you have? I need to make
Now,
some
some
steak
of
and
them
eggs,
maybe,
too.
but not those little ones with that little fine, thin purple skin on them.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't like them. That was in my sandwich today that my wife brought, and I was like, ugh, get these things off of here. I think y'all got a bunny in your trap over there, I think. Oh man, I keep hitting the top. Man, y'all got a pretty place up here. Really do.
I gotta take some screenshots of my I got some screenshots for everybody of the progress
Bless
me,
you, bless
me
you.
and Cajun have made on
Yeah, Rob, she's giving us up to go play with
I
Cajun
am
now.
not. No, we're just. I
yeah.
haven't recorded it, and we've made so much progress on
That is a
on my new
beautiful
one.
picture right there. Out across there, I mean to tell you.
yeah.
I still wonder where that kitty cat is.
I don't know. I didn't see any of them over there, so I have no clue.
I got some steaks on that other stove, Rob.
I'm just waiting on my liver to cook.
Okay. I need to put these seeds and stuff up. I'm glad we jumped on here to record one real quick because I was all like, we haven't recorded one for a couple of days, and I haven't got one to put up because I haven't recorded on mine yet. I'm waiting to the big reveal for my
I can't hold
base.
nothing no way. There's no use finding the kitty if he was here. Is that scrap right yonder? No. That is the dirt fooling me.
Yes, we got a bunny. Bunny. And we got a dead bunny. We got a living bunny and we got a dead bunny. I need to get some carrots and put back out.
See, that's pretty quick.
Yeah, that was quick. I'm going to put this one bunny in the thing here. Hopefully we got some... No, let me get some food first to put in there. Food and water first before I put a bunny in there for it to starve to death. Just for me to...
Boy, it is cold up here.
Yep.
Yeah. You know it's cold when the bears don't even be out.
And the wolf doesn't have a lick of
Oh,
sense.
the water must be upstairs.
I don't know. He caught you, didn't he?
Yeah, I don't even know where it came. He had to have crossed the river or something. Because
Why did the wolf cross the river? To go kill Rob.
To bite me on the butt.
To bite Rob on the butt. Yeah, that's what it is.
That's what it was.
Is that all he did was bite you on the butt?
Well, he bit me and infected me, and then the cold weather killed me on top of it. Come here, Wolfie, I see you. You little creep.
Oh, poor thing.
Go and die now.
I thought that was a box on top of that rock, but that is a rock on top of that rock.
Okay. I didn't pick that
Yeah, I
up.
thought sure aspired at a white wolf had killed Rob because he used to complain about that when we played a long time ago. I can't see him.
Yeah, that's just... Well, I kept going around a circle with my shotgun in my hand, trying to see the little creep to shoot him. And I guess he was just one step faster than I was trying to spin around. It was funny. Until I fell over on my face.
I wasn't going to say nothing, and I was trying not to laugh watching the whole situation.
Oh, yeah,
go
you
down.
probably could have shot the wolf, and you just stood there going, ah.
I didn't want to shoot. I didn't want to shoot you. I did not want to shoot you. I didn't want to shoot you, Rob.
She stood there and said, I'll just let the wolf take care of him.
I did not want to
save my
shoot you.
bullet."
I was afraid of shooting
Hey,
you.
cat,
because-
hey, cat, I found your kitty cat.
You did.
Down here at the bottom of this rock next to the pond. He's now dragging me around.
Oh, God.
Oh, you gotta be
no.
kidding me.
No, I was sitting there chopping on a tree, and all of a sudden I see a green line. I hear nothing but you guys talking. And I stepped to one side, and here he came. I hit the shotgun, and I shot him once, but...
Rob, how do you keep letting them do that to you, buddy?
Did you put?
Hey, he didn't even make a sound, dude.
Don't let me put a thing on
The
the
only
bed.
thing I'm hearing is you two chat, 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 chat. And I'd start chopping
Yeah,
on a
yeah,
tree.
yeah. That's Jeannie doing all that. Tap, 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 tap. And Jeannie's going to wear out her mouse button.
No, like I said, I'm sitting there chopping. All of a sudden I see a green line, so I step to one side. And here comes a brown face. I hit the 4 button. I managed to shoot him, but wasn't enough. God.
Wear out
Hey,
my
Jeannie.
mouse button. What?
Hey, this is a...
You know you don't have to continuously click the mouse button to chop a tree, right?
Sometimes you don't. On
No,
infected,
never
you
you don't.
The infected you do.
That's a different game. That's why I'm hearing all that there tick, 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 because you're clicking just that fast. I mean, not that I care, but, you know, I just thought I'd tell you to keep from wearing out your mouse.
All right.
Trying to help.
I
Trying to
know,
help.
I
That's
know.
all I'm doing.
Well, I was gonna say I didn't want to shoot Rob because I was playing in Cajun's game
Yeah, you
one
did.
day.
You really wanted to shoot Rob,
No,
but
I
you
didn't.
knew
No,
them
listen,
cats were
listen.
going to take him out.
Cajun let me make a 44 on his game, and I thought he was.
Whoa, we ain't
No,
letting
no,
her
no.
do
Listen.
that, Rob.
Uh-huh.
I thought he was a rogue or a hunter, and I was shooting him. And he's all like, how are you hitting me when you can't hit crap anywhere else?" And I hit him with every shot. I
You
didn't
can't
kill
hit
him.
crap anywhere else. Oh,
I didn't kill him, but I kept hitting him like dead on. And he's all like, "Wait, stop,
you
stop, that's
can't
me."
tell us from hunters.
I can't because I got these. I got two lines on my. I went trifocals and I had these lines. And I gotta look up or down to see, and I can't tell the plaid. I can't see the plaid for
Well,
some
I'd
reason.
change my glasses.
Well, I just got these this year, so
Ain't it, Rob?
I really can't change these
Yeah.
glasses. I just got these this year, so.
Wow. Yeah, I would change my glasses if I were you.
Jeannie,
What?
if you're down there, go off to the right, the end of
Mm.
that first big rock right there, and a little bit further towards there's like 3 trees. My bag should be laying right there.
Okay,
Oh, you ain't got it yet?
the
Oh
big
my
rock,
gosh.
the big rock across the creek.
Nope, right off to your right. Watch out for that cat. I don't know if that went and got him.
No, I'm back
No,
home.
go to your left. Go to your left, Jeannie. Go to your left. I didn't say go around the rock.
Now y'all see why I do that stuff.
I see the cat.
Oh my gosh.
I so see the cat, and he healed up, and he's level 3 now.
Yeah, well, he's probably
Oh,
a level
nice.
2 to a level 3.
You're gonna let him kill me now, aren't you? I got him.
Okay.
Oh, look at her, Rob. You let her get him and you didn't get him.
I didn't
Jeez.
have nothing to go get him with. I'm up there freezing my tail feathers off.
And I am starving again, y'all. I mean, I'm just so hungry.
Okay, where's your bag at over here?
Should be right there by a tree, pretty much.
By
There's
a
a
tree?
lot of trees there, Rob.
Yeah. Well, you can come over here now, Rob. It's cleared.
He's like, I don't want to. Get it for
Oh, I
me.
see your bag. I see your bag. I got it. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
I'm just afraid the cold's going to kill me by the time I get to my bag.
Yeah. So back up in the house and get
Oh, there
warm.
you-
I got it.
Let's see.
Oh, I just died from the cold. Oh my God.
Oh,
Did,
Lord.
did you really?
I did. I just died from the cold, and I'm in the water
don't you
right
have
now.
any clothes on?
I do, but I don't have a jacket on. Oh my God, that sucks.
In other words, she's naked under the jacket.
All I got is that vest on. Oh my God, at least I died at the pond. Oh my God.
Well, I got everything but 3 or 4 boxes.
Okay. Oh, there's another cougar. Oh my God, there's another cougar. Get in the house, woman. Get in the house. Oh my God, is there a jacket in here?
Golly.
Give me this shirt right here.
This is awful.
Okay.
There's another cougar up here, but I'm coming down to get other boxes.
Oh, that snowing out here. It's awful.
It is, and that's why I died. I'm probably gonna die now to get the other boxes.
I'm standing out here and I'm not dying. Ain't even taking cold damage. And I don't have a sweater or nothing on, just my regular old shirt.
I have all your weapons, Jeannie.
All right, thank you. Let's get upstairs in the warm before I die again.
Run.
I am.
Run, zum, 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 run.
Mhm.
Let me feed my chickens, because I know they needing some. Ooh,
Yeah, holy cow.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
This cold weather is really taking a hit on my health.
Yeah, mine too. God.
Good Lord.
Oh no, it's
do y'all
terrible.
want me to put it in January February?
Okay,
so
here,
it'll
How,
go
back
how
up,
about
Jeannie.
June?
Jeannie, back up.
Okay.
No, put it in
Jeannie,
March
back
or
up.
spring.
I'm back
Right.
up.
Oh gosh, what was I got? Oh, I gotta make these. That is so funny, y'all. With y'all
It is.
dying like that.
I know.
Which shirt
What
did
am
you
I
have?
doing?
I had on the flannel shirt.
Oh Lord,
Wrong
here
one?
I am doing that. Did not mean to do that one.
Okay, and here's the liver, a steak, your cloth. I'll
Okay.
put the I'll put the fat in the. Oh, and here's your sinew.
All right. I don't know how much of it I lost. I
Did you
lost
get
half
Well,
your
of it.
did you get your medal I put in the box?
Not yet. I haven't been in the box yet, but I'll
Well,
get it.
you didn't need it then.
I did need it. I was doing other stuff. My goodness. Where's my where's my vest? Oh, there's my vest. Okay.
Oh
Oh my
goodness, I
gosh.
don't need that much food on this one.
oh, let's see.
Wow,
Okay.
it is getting nasty out here.
Yes, I just turned the heater on in here.
And it is all full. I done quit with my
Your cat hunt.
no, with my traps in the water because that water's gonna freeze at any night,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yep.
there ain't no use wasting stuff on it.
I'm gonna put a jacket on because even though it's gonna take my vest off, I hate that because I hate not having my vest on.
Yeah, I put that other miner down because I know I'm gonna need water coming up here once this
Mm-hmm.
freezes up.
Mm-hmm. I got cooked liver. Let me see. I got steak and eggs. I'm gonna just eat this like nom it. Okay.
Dang, y'all must have carried some more canteens home with y'all.
No, I haven't been in your place for a long time, so I couldn't carry anything home. You should have took some
Wait
of
a
the
minute.
sinew from here if you needed.
No,
We got
it's
like
not
we
there.
got over 100 sinew if you needed sinew.
Oh, there they are.
Did you hear
Nah,
that, Pat?
no,
She's
y'all don't understand. I keep 100 plus because repairs and everything, and then y'all will come down here and make some repairs or something once in a while, and it takes it. So I wasn't necessarily needing y'all's as I'm not necessarily out. I've got 120, I got 178, but I like to keep more when I can, you know?
Mm.
But I reckon it's so bad outside. You mean a whole day has done gone by?
Yeah, those looks
Yes,
like
sir.
it.
It has.
And I'm just now itching
Jeez.
to upgrade this thing.
Well, I managed to die 3 times.
You beat
Gee,
my
hey,
record.
I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll.
Okay, so now this is more power efficient, so I'm fixing to run it. So I'm going to run it for iron.
Oh, it feels funny coming in here with this open spot on the other
Yeah,
side
the
here.
generators are running. I'd go ahead and start cooking stuff.
Yeah. Well, I'm cooking
There
stuff
we
too.
go.
I made
My
All
some.
right,
taters
see,
is done.
and we probably need to upgrade that refinery to another burner at least.
Oh, let me see what I can do for that. Hold on, let me put this stuff away. I know, cause my son's here now, so
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we'll go ahead and
y'all can
end it.
y'all can y'all
We're,
can y'all can stay on and play. You don't gotta, you know. Oh, come on, eat the
we got to end the
chicken.
recording though.
Oh, okay.
Appreciate everybody being here. If you would, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and ring that notification bell if you would. And I'm going to let them do their sign off.
Yep. Good night,
Well,
everybody.
good
Thank
night,
you for
everybody.
watching.
Thanks for stopping by. Next time I'll get Jeannie to hang out with me and videotape me dying.
That's all right.
It'll
You
be a
beat
little
my
All
more
right.
record
exciting
today.
for you.
All right,
Don't
everybody.
forget, don't forget to turn that heater off when y'all log out too. So that all right.
All right. Well, thank you. And everybody bless you and have a great, fantastic day.
Bye bye,
Bye
everybody.
now.
Thanks.